Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I will show you how to get the link to share a Google form. So let's start. First of all, I am here in Google. Then over on the top right you will find apps. Click on that and drag down and go to your forms. Over here you will get the form you have created. Click on that. Then on the top right you will find this send. Click on send and over here you will find send via email. Here is link. Here is the link. You can just copy this and also you can shorten this link and copy. And after that you can share this with whom you like. In this way we can get shareable link of Google Form. So if you find this helpful, please like, share and subscribe.